How to make presentation from Gemini. So if you want to make presentation from Gemini, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. After that, go and search for Gemini and go with gemini.google.com, which will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go and ask Gemini to make a presentation. It will generate specific content on how you can make your presentation. Once your presentation is done, you need to just click on the files and then open it on your Google Documents. So as you can see that mine is done. You'll have all of the slides right here. You may have an option to export it to your Google Docs or export it to your slides. You just need to simply click on export, which will be on the top, or just go with share, which will be in the top right. Now once you've done with the slides, you need to go with open slides, which is here on the bottom, and it will take you to the Google Slides. Now you can go and adjust wherever you don't like, or you can also insert some things if you want to. And in this way, you can make a presentation from Gemini. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.